I thought I'd add a couple of bricks to push the heat upwards. Quarantine week 2. Gina's spicy corn chowder. We got bacon, corn on the cob, red bell pepper, Vidalia onion, potato, flour, garlic, jalapeno, cream, bay leaves, chili powder, salt, pepper, water for making the chicken broth. Let's get her cooking. Link in the description. Gina used frozen. We're going to roast up some nice corn on the grill. I made some room for my canteen cup. Oh yeah, it's baking time. Put it in the pot and we're going to render out the fat. Our corn is roasting up nicely. Once we have the corn cooked to our liking, we'll take it off the grill and let it cool. I'm going to move my canteen cup to a warmer spot on the grill. We've got the fat rendered out of the bacon, so we'll pull the bacon, saving the fat to cook our vegetables in. We'll save the bacon to top the soup with later. First, we'll add our red pepper and onion to the bacon grease. And for the first layer of heat, the diced jalapeno. When we add our salt and pepper, don't forget the bacon already gives us some salt. Now that those onions and peppers have started to soften, we'll go in with the garlic. Alright, lid on. Let's let it cook for a little bit. While the canteen cup does its thing, let's get some corn off of its cob. I'm using one of those corn cob stickers that you give the kids to hold their corn. It makes it easy to cut. Use the back of your knife to milk all the juice out of your corn cob. Alright, now it's time to put some flour in the pot. Combine that with the bacon fat and cook the rawness out of the flour. This will help thicken the soup. We're going to use a little bit of the water to deglaze the bottom of our cup. We want to get all those bacon bits up. That's right, no bacon left behind. Add the rest of our water. Now the sodium-free chicken bouillon goes in. It was 1 cup of water for 1 packet of bouillon. And we mix. Put the lid on your cup and bring your water to temperature for cooking. With the broth hot, we'll add the potatoes. That'll make this soup a little more hearty. Now for the star of the show, our roasted corn. And no, it didn't all fit. That just means Bear got a little appetizer. Full-fledged, heavy whipping cream. To ramp up the heat, we're adding that cayenne pepper. How much? You be the judge. Give everything another mix. I'll spare you my rendition of Down on the Bay. Cover your cup and entertain yourself for about 15 minutes. I poured off a couple sample bowls for the family. Wow, that sure is a good looking cup of soup. Let's get it in a bowl. I mean, come on. That might be corn chowder perfection. Wait a minute. Hold your soup spoon. I forgot the bacon. Now it's a perfect bowl of corn chowder. Hey, check it out. Y'all want a bite? No, sir. This one's mine. Oh, man. Oh, yeah. That's right. That's a good bowl of chowder. We'll see you on the trail.